Welcome to Blue Cooper Business Consulting. Who are we? We started as a janitorial company in 2007. We continue to operate to this day. We've grown every year since inception, and we are not a franchise business. We started up with my wife, a mop bucket, and a broom, and that's literally how we started. To this day, we operate in multi-cities in Central Texas and have about 85 current employees. We work to grow our janitorial business every year, just like you, either starting or growing your business. And we now have launched the Owners Club to help others achieve their dreams of entering into a business like this. We format everything we do based on the janitorial and cleaning business, but we have had other clients recently work with us that are not in the janitorial business. They simply remove janitorial and cleaning words and plug in what industry they are, as unique as a lady that purchased an antique store. So you can follow us and jump in with us to get real daily common sense solutions to how to go about owning your own business if you're outside of the janitorial and cleaning business. However, we do specialize in that industry as we're in it with you. The Owners Club is made up of multiple janitorial and cleaning business startups around the country that we all work together to continue to grow, and we lead as the Owners Club multiple weekly and monthly educational things to keep us up to date with things like SEO, bidding, what's going on with our competition, tax law, all the things that affect us as business owners, because we want to remove accountants, SEO companies, website design firms, tax preparation, HR specialists, all these types of things that you do not want to pay for. And you want to be in total control. It's so rewarding, and it helps you grow at a whole different level. So give us an opportunity. We'd love to work with you through the Owners Club. Here's an example of some of the things we're going to cover. Give me a call. We'd love to chat with you before you make a purchase. We want to make sure it's a good fit for you. We're here. We're real people trying to help others be a part of our team. So give us a call. It's a much better option than franchising. It's a fraction of the expense, and we're going to give you total control, and you can cut the cord with us whenever you feel like you need to. We hope you continue to stay with us because we provide depth of education every month, but we certainly want you to be independent. Thank you so much for giving us a shot, and good luck on your new business.